Is learning Arabic really worth it, or is it a waste of time? Some people say it's too hard, impractical, or even useless. But today, we're here to uncover the truth and debunk some of the biggest myths of learning Arabic. Stay with me. Hi there, I'm Dana, the founder of Dana Land Academy and an Arabic educator with over 8 years of experience. I've dedicated my career to helping young learners fall in love with the Arabic language. On this channel, I'll share tips, strategies, and creative ideas to make Arabic learning fun, engaging, and meaningful for your child. Let's explore together the beauty of Arabic language. First up, the myth that Arabic is just too hard to learn. Sure, Arabic has different alphabets and sounds, but let's look at why this might not be as challenging as it seems. Arabic alphabet consists of 28 letters and follows a logical structure. Many letters have similar shapes, making them easier to recognize, but with practice. Arabic is a root-based language, which means once you learn a root, you can form many related words. For example, the root kataba is the foundation for many words like kitab, which is a book, katib, which is a writer, and maktaba, which is a library. Pronunciation may seem intimidating at first, but most sounds in Arabic have close equivalents in other languages, and consistent practice builds confidence quickly. Like any language, Arabic takes practice, but it's definitely achievable. And remember, Arabic's logical structure can make it easier to learn once you understand the basics. But even if Arabic isn't as challenging as it seems, is it actually useful in today's world? Let's tackle that next. Another common myth is that Arabic isn't useful. People think it doesn't open doors or that it's limited in value. Arabic is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world, with over 300 million speakers across 22 countries. It's also one of the 6 official languages of the United Nations. Economically, Arabic is invaluable for industries like oil and gas, international trade, and tourism. Countries in the Middle East and North Africa play a major role in global markets. Knowing Arabic can open doors to exciting careers in fields like diplomacy, journalism, business, and education. From accessing the vibrant culture of the Middle East and North Africa to connecting with millions of speakers globally, Arabic is a gateway language. Yes, Arabic is a gateway language that brings new perspectives and opportunities. So, Arabic is clearly valuable, but will you actually use it in your daily life? Let's address that next. But how often will you actually use Arabic in your daily life? Well, this myth ignores how connected our world is becoming. In today's interconnected world, Arabic is useful even outside Arabic-speaking countries. In multicultural cities, you're likely to meet Arabic speakers or encounter the language in business and cultural exchanges. Learning Arabic also gives you a deeper appreciation of its influence on other languages, such as Spanish, Turkish, and even English, where words like sugar, sukkar, and cotton, qutun, have Arabic roots. Understanding Arabic culture through language builds empathy and global awareness. skills that go beyond practical usage. Learning Arabic isn't just about practical usage. It's about understanding a rich history and culture, which makes a lasting impact even if you don't use it daily. But if everyone speaks in dialects, is modern standard Arabic even worth learning? Let's clear this part up. Oh, I forgot to tell you, subscribe for more practical tips to make Arabic learning fun and successful. Another misconception is that modern standard Arabic or MSA is useless because every single one speaks in dialects. So, should you skip MSA? MSA is the official form of Arabic used in schools, media, government, and literature. It's the bridge connecting Arabic speakers across different regions. Learning MSA first provides a strong foundation in grammar, vocab, and sentence structure, making it easier to pick up any region dialect later. While dialects are important for casual conversation, MSA equips learners with the tools to read, write, and communicate effectively in formal settings. Learning MSA doesn't limit you. It doesn't limit you. It gives you a strong base to explore dialects and communicate in a universally understood form of Arabic. Now, what about the idea that learning Arabic is boring or too formal? Let's tackle that myth next. Finally, there's the belief that learning Arabic is boring or too formal. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Arabic learning can be incredibly engaging with the right resources. Arabic songs, cartoons, and interactive games are excellent ways to make learning fun. Apps and online platforms like Dialects Academy offer storytelling, gamified lessons, and creative activities that keep kids excited to learn. By integrating Arabic into everyday activities like singing along to songs or watching animated shows, language learning becomes a joyful experience, not the opposite. Learning Arabic can be as fun as you make it. With the right tools and approach, you will find joy in understanding songs, stories, and even the alphabet. So, the important question here is learning Arabic useless? We've seen that Arabic, while unique, is achievable, useful, and rewarding. So, absolutely, it's not. It's a bridge to a fascinating world and a way to connect with millions of people. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share it with anyone curious about learning Arabic. See you next time. Bye.